television, we're shown a trick about moving the decimals. And that's, we can just move the decimal over however many steps we need to get rid of it, as long as we do it to both numbers, the same number of steps. To be able to understand why this works mathematically, we have to have a basic understanding of the relationship between division and fractions. These are two equivalent ways of representing 30 being divided by 10. We also need to understand the basic mathematical concept that anything divided by itself is equal to 1. 10 divided by 10 is equal to 1. 47 divided by 47 is equal to 1. And literally anything divided by itself is equal to 1. But specifically, what we are going to want to focus on for this explanation is 10 divided by 10 being equal to 1. One last mathematical truth we need is the knowledge that anything times 1 is equal to itself. As stated before, 10 divided by 10 is just 1, albeit a fancy version of 1. 37.2 divided by 9.4 mathematically is the same as 37.2 over 9.4 in a fraction form here. What's really happening when we are moving the decimal place is we are multiplying by 10 over 10. We're multiplying the top by 10 and the bottom by 10 as well. And that is what makes the decimal place move. The reason why we are allowed to do this mathematically is that 10 over 10, or anything over itself, is just a fancy version of 1. We are essentially just multiplying the fraction by 1 and not changing the value. That is why 372 divided by 94 mathematically is the same as 37.2 divided by 9.4. This would work also no matter how many decimal places. If we had 37.24 divided by 9.4, I would want to be able to move my decimal place 2 spots over. What this is essentially doing is multiplying the numerator and denominator by 100 over 100. So this would be 3,724, and this would be moving it 2 places over, 940. Thanks for watching. If there are any mathematical tricks that you were taught that you never understood why, put them down in the comments for me. Thank you.